Hey, wife. Let me finish telling you. No, but I'm gonna want some dessert. Something sweet. So I'm just setting on a shake. I don't think I want a shake. I want some pie. They got pie. A lot of it.
Y'all, I hate when I'm this hungry because I can't order up everything because I know I'm not gonna eat everything. You know what I'm saying? But it make it real hard what to decide what to eat because I'm hungry. And look, you getting what, babe? Get it. You ain't gonna eat but a piece of it. What was that?
She think I'm gonna eat a piece of it. She gonna look over in like 5 minutes after we get the plate and it's gonna be gone.
We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Okay, boss. That's me. And that's me. And that's her. And that's her. And that's me.
We got Nikki the Sim, Lexi Peaches, Little Kayla, plus another surprise. You gotta wait for it later. Wait for it later. Wait for it later. We got Nikki the Sim, Lexi Peaches, Little Kayla, plus another surprise. You gotta wait for it later. Wait for it later. Wait for it later. Plus another surprise. You gotta wait for it later.
Oh my god, our server is the best, y'all. She's crazy. I said, give me 1 second. She said, 1 fry and 1. Okay.
She's awesome.
She is so cute. And we try not to misbehave because we're the only one of us is in here. So we gotta put our know how to act.
She don't know how to act.
We gotta put our know how to act faces on, y'all.
She don't know how to act.
You don't know how to act.
I know how to act.
No, you don't.
I know how to act.
Nah.
Keep it cool, calm, and collected.
Okay, y'all.
I got me an iced coffee.
We are bringing y'all breakfast from Focus. So we gonna bring y'all a mukbang today because we ain't never been here, and like I said, we ain't gonna be too terribly loud because we the only one of us is in here. Thank God their music ain't playing too terribly loud. But I am famished and we already ordered our drinks. I got a
She ain't never had it before, y'all.
I just wanted to try something. We at a new spot we ain't never been at before. So y'all about to get these reactions real live. So it's a pomegranate, blueberry, limeade, y'all. So hopefully I like this. I'm always trying something new and then I end up being like, ooh. So y'all, let's try this together. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all can see my eyes, I do keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry. I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna try. So I deserve to be thirsty. So violent. go.
Do you like it?
I didn't know. You ain't gonna tell me I don't know.
It's not bad, guys.
Okay, so take the drink.
It just tastes
Very
like,
good for you.
it just tastes like well water a little bit.
It's supposed to be good for you, right?
Yeah, and blueberries. That's your antioxidants. So, you know, and we got some limeade, you know, going with it. So it tastes pretty good. I like it kind of good. You know me, I'm funny. Don't do me.
Like, I am just sorry.
I ain't even ordered it yet. We just waited a second.
I need to look at their pies because y'all know I'm
Y'all know she is a sweet tooth eater.
caramel apple.
That looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order me some dessert to go, y'all.
Y'all already. Peanut butter.
That looks really rich. I don't know what happened, y'all. I think we ran out of time and then the camera just cut on off. We just waiting on our server lady to come back.
I get sleepy. But
Look there. Cause you see how we look. And you up close so they can tell we're not looking at them.
that's funny.
I'm gonna put a sticker that say, look here.
Hey y'all, I got a problem with looking right there. It's hard. So when I see myself. Hold on, let me just.
She's so vain because she wants to see herself.
There it goes.
Now you ain't got no choice.
Oh my god. Now I need to see myself.
No, you need to see them. Them right there. Them.
You know what? My stomach hurts.
Why your stomach hurt? You got You got boo-boo? You gotta take it too. You gotta take it, don't. You don't want to share with the family. You have to have boo-boo. It's our family. I know, I felt the vibration. These people just came in after us. Y'all saw that? And she just took their order out. Where did you eat? I said 5 seconds. It's been like a bunch of 5 seconds. What's Rosie look like? That's her name? No, it just looked like it. It's hungry.
Maybe they take one or two of them.
The ice coffee gave me.
That's probably why you gotta go book.
Turns out she was.
We'll be back, I guess, when we get something. Let's try to see when Rosie gonna come back and take our order. All right. So, I told y'all, babe, will let us get mistreated, right? So, So we've been sitting here.
I did not.
So we've been sitting here. I said give me 5 seconds 20 minutes ago. Not only has the people over there ordered and got their food, the people behind us, y'all saw them sit down, y'all was here. Nikki, should I roll the clip back so that they can see? Not only have they ordered their food, it's about to be there. She the one over there to the old people. Oh my God, y'all hear her? Y'all hear her? Now let's see how long it takes these black people to get some service. But they came with a white man. They came with white privilege. Are you gonna pay for the meal? No, let me rant. Leave me alone. So let's just see how long we wait. Turn into my deal where she said sometimes you gotta act a fool to get results.
You ready?
How does she keep saying, are you ready, and then move on? Like she done asked her 6 times, are you ready? And ain't stopped not nan time and took no order. And you still want me to shut the fuck up? I'll wait. This is about to be a bad review. And I normally tip my servers, but I'm not about to tip this one. Now y'all heard her just say, are you ready? And then kept walking. Where the fuck they do that at? I've been hungry, but the lady done walked past us 17 times. Can I get somebody else to, is there a manager? Can I get somebody else to take my order? She done stopped here 6 times. They gotta take your order and I ain't took it yet.
Yeah, let me get the manager for you.
Hi. So we got sat a long time ago. I asked her probably 20 minutes ago. I said, can you give us 5 seconds? That was 20 minutes ago. She'll say, are you ready? Boom. Shot down there. Took their order. I'll be with you. Shot over there. Took their order. Took their order. Delivered their food. Brought them water. Are you ready? Looked me dead in the face. And went down there.
Can I get you another service?
We would just like to order. We've been.
I'm sorry about that. I'll be right back.
Y'all, when I get my food, I'm just gonna take the plate and go like this. Like a vacuum. Or my mouth is just gonna go like this to the, my mouth is gonna go to the plate.
Now food is here.
We have the music star omelet here.
It's you. She's coming for you, babe.
That's hot, okay?
Oh, okay.
We have the French fries skillet.
Yeah. You guys.
God bless the food.
Lord God, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Please bless the hands that prepared it. Protect us from any hurt, harm, or danger they could think or want to do to us. In Jesus' name we pray, Lord, let me do just what it's set forth to do and excrete the extra. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Are you gonna eat that yolk like that? What? Babe, what is wrong with you?
Absolutely nothing.
Babe, are you born in the country? You was born down south?
I'm sounding like Choice TV and shit. That's how he be sounding, babe. I'm about to. I'm just trying to. Hey, Pooh. Can I have some stuff? Yes.
Did they see my food?
And they see it right now. You want to put it on close? Yeah. About to smash.
The cheese is the
Hallelujah. You gotta speak up, baby. They can't hear you.
It is so good.
Why your eyes get big like that? It's so good. Y'all, she already smashed it. I'm still fixing my food up. Okay. Nobody. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, but you guys don't know that you didn't trust me. Tell me.
So, how many of y'all like y'all yolk? To have runny yolk? Put it in the comments below.
You know what? I used to feel like didn't nobody eat their eggs like that, you know, unless they was from the country. Because my grandma is from down south, and so she eat all that crazy stuff like yolk and sauerkraut, all the stuff that I don't eat. She all the down south stuff like squash, all the down south stuff. So I didn't think nobody else eat that except for people who's down south. Babe, are you from down south?
I'm not from down south, but my family is.
And so they made you eat down south cooking?
I wouldn't say they made me. You know, we eat how we are taught. You know what I'm saying? Like, you generally eat what you're around.
Well, you know what? I don't think that's true because some stuff that I didn't used to eat, I mean, well, you know, some stuff that they cooked, we didn't really like it. I ain't like it, but now I like it. Like,
And sometimes it's in preparation. And who prepared it and how it's prepared, because the way somebody else cooked it, you might not have liked it, but you try it again and somebody else did it, and you like it. That's all to do with preparation.
But I mean not but and
She said not but.
I didn't like. I really don't like onions, but I like them. Like they put onions on here, but I don't want them. Yeah, I don't want them in my burger or
I
nothing.
think it's because they raw.
And I don't want them in my vegetables either, because I'll skip past them. But if they're like inside the food, then like and cooked and real good and stuff, real seasoning and stuff like this is real good, then I can deal with it. Pico de gallo, I can deal with it.
But she wouldn't mess with it before me, and then one day I was like, babe, just try it. I said, babe, just try it. She been eating it ever since. This one, you guys, this is really good, and it's nice and seasoned. It's not too hard. It's really good. It's good. It's good. Now my pancakes, I would prefer like, nah, ain't nobody fucking with IHOP. This is a really good restaurant. Our food is really delicious. It is.
What I like about my omelet, I like that they got enough meat in it, and sausage and ham, and then I like the fact that they put gravy on top. Gravy on top, yeah, it's gravy in it. And then I like the fact that they threw the cheese all on top like that, because I love cheese. They could have put some more flavor.
I'm starting to not become a big fan of cheese.
I know, I noticed that like a while back. For me, cheese put the flavor. Put the extra. Yeah, no, it put that extra little kick.
But then sometimes it's too thick. And it'll take away from the food.
Y'all, I done lost track of the days because I ain't been back at work. I quit my job, y'all.
No more Circle K.
No more Circle K. They would not.
She gonna twerk for that when we get home.
Yeah, when we get home, I can twerk for that, and I have to buy me like a beer or something so we can celebrate. Y'all can celebrate with us. It's okay. But yep, I quit my job.
Put congratulations, Lexi, in the comments.
Heck yeah, congratulate me, because you know what? You know, even though I quit it, I found something a little bit better, so it's for the better. So I'm just excited to say I quit. But you know, the thing is, I've been with them for 2 years, so
Tell them, baby.
you know, they didn't just.
And they didn't appreciate you.
They didn't appreciate me, and I was the best one. Show up for work early, leave late. Leave late, just to help out. And
Fake trained you
for
for
one
like 2
point,
weeks.
yeah, one point of time, they trained me for, should I train longer than 2 weeks?
Right now.
I was training for like It seemed like almost a month, but not quite, but almost. But I knew all their codes and everything, and
I don't know where
after a
that
while,
shit just
they
quit.
just stopped training me out of nowhere. Then we had an issue with our payroll. And then once we had an issue with the payroll, I almost got fired for, you know, calling, you know, to ask about when I'm to get paid. And yeah, the lady told me I was at risk of losing my job just for calling her. But she was the boss lady, so I don't know why. I don't know why I was supposed to get in trouble or get fired for calling about my money. But you know, at the same time, you know, I've been with a nice coffee.
We don't have to receive until you pay.
I'm happy.
I'm happy, and I support her in whatever she does and whatever she wants to do with her life. I support her totally. Can't say I get the same thing, but she tries. Crazy fucking Gemini, I love you. Calm down. But how was your food, babe? How you feel about this place?
I'm real full. And I didn't eat.
I told her she wasn't gonna eat these. If y'all want to, rewind it back. I told her she wasn't gonna eat them. That's why I was gonna get toast, and we could have shared these pancakes.
Man, I'm full. It's time to smoke.
We're gonna get ready to get out of here. At the end of every video, we do post notification shout out. In order to get your post notification shout out, Big Lexi, tell them what they gotta do. Break it down now. Tell them what they gotta do. Big Frida style. Tell them what they gotta do. Big Frida.
All right, look. All y'all got to do. So all y'all got to do is number 1, go right over there. Hit the subscribe button.
Do it right now. Do it right now. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. It's free. It don't cost you a dime. It ain't gonna be no monthly fees. We ain't gonna put no annual shit on your account. It's
We
free.
ain't gonna do that to y'all.
So just click subscribe.
Then number 2, go in that same area right there. Click, look, I was about to say type. Click the notification bell. So, look, I still forget. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified.
Notified.
So you can be notified every time we post another neat ass episode. Number 3, last but not least, go all the way down to the bottom of the screen, all the way down to the bottom. It's gonna say comment. You're gonna put a comment that says done.
Dun, dun, dun.
And that's how you get your post notification.
Shout out and become part of that Owens tribe. Owens tribe. Owens tribe. Whoa. Whoa. So,
How you guys doing? You doing good?
we're
Yeah.
good. Thank you.
Feel bad.
No. Can we get a second?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna get a second.
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you so much. Alright guys, we're gonna get ready to get out of here. I've been Nikki the Stem.
And Big Lexi.
And we're gonna catch you outside. Alright y'all, we back outside now.
That shit should have been on camera. No, we should have recorded on the way out.
What happened?
if I offend anybody, because I feel like it's, you know, crazy for people to make an ass out of themselves and assume some stuff. So this like senior citizen lady, she gonna say something because I'm adding up the total for babe, typing the stuff in for her. She gonna say something, well, she's your best. No, she said no, she didn't say that. She said, well, aren't you the backup? She said, you want a lollipop? I said, I'm 24, I'm grown. A lollipop. I'm 24 years old. Fuck. Did you assume that I was supposed to get? That's how you make an ass out of yourself for assuming. Like, what if I was to assume some stuff, you know, by you being older and stuff, like, then you would have really looked at me like, bitch. Like, I just looked at you like, bitch. I feel like that was some bullshit. I think everybody in there was trying to be funny. I think we should have kept it like I said. I told babe, I said, let's just give him a 13 cent.
But y'all see that? She was allowed to act a fool when she felt some kind of way. See, somebody told me she's secretly selfish. Get that cigarette away from my hair. Stinky stuff.
But I think everybody was in there was acting funny. So I told her, I said, babe, let's just do a 13-cent check because we had to beg for our food.
But I didn't want y'all to be like, y'all should have tipped anyway. Servers gotta live.
We are,
look.
You got to know, if you in a customer service field, and especially in a serving field, you got to earn your check. I mean, you got to earn your coin. You can't just expect to treat people like shit or talk to them and be sarcastic to them.
But I was supposed to be quiet.
And expect your fucking full tip. No, it don't work like that. You gotta earn it if you're in a serving business. Cause I know damn well if I was a server, and do you need some more to drink? I see your cup is getting empty. You halfway? Let me get you some more. Y'all need some ketchup and mustard? Bitch, hold on. I'll be earning my tip.
Bitch, hold on.
Cause I'll be earning mine, cause they act like, bitch, you gonna give me your tip at the end of the day, cause I don't have to.
Y'all, she got some cheeks in these little pants. Here's her femininity.
Babe,
What? Your booty is so cute.
you just don't show my booty and then my whole me.
Oh.
Babe.
Oh, okay. Your whole you. Get your whole you. Oh, sorry. I was being mannish. I'm always being mannish. Look at you now. Stand to the side. Cake. Get it. Bounce it on me. Bounce it on it. Bounce it on it. Big Frida. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me hurry up and do my post notification shout out. Ashton Wingfield, this shout out's for you. Thank you for commenting done. Thank you for becoming part of that Owens tribe. Get it on tribe. I'm like, whoa, Owens tribe. We like, whoa, Owens tribe.
Try, baby.
So don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All that good shit, all that goodness. Get all up in there. Get all up in there. All up in there. And don't forget, everybody tell somebody about meeting the Owens. Smash mouth. No. Smash mouth, right?